In short, tokenization generally just means moving traditional non-digital securities to a digital form using the blockchain technology. And real estate tokenization specifically means that enabling investments in the form of digital tokens backed by real estate in the real world. So these tokens can represent either equity, debt, economic interest, or revenue stream generated from the real estate asset. At the core of tokenization is, as I mentioned, blockchain technology, which is a type of distributed ledger where you secure identical copies of data across a network of authorized stakeholders. And we can leverage the secure, immutable qualities of blockchain technology for the tokenization, which can facilitate digital fractional ownership with secure transaction records and also very quick settlement process. So there are a few kind of like advantages of tokenization, which includes like fractionalization, which lowers the barriers of entry for investment, operational efficiency, data transparency, and most importantly, for most of the investors, liquidity. So, I mean, like in terms of difference between real estate crowdfunding and real estate tokenization, while both of them allow for fractionalization of traditionally big-ticket investments such as real estate, which lowers the barriers of entry and also democratize the whole access of real estate assets. So the main differences between the two are basically threefold. So first of all, unlike tokenized real estate, there is no liquidity in real estate crowdfunding. So investors are often unable to trade these investments on the secondary market, and there's no exit option for investors. So for tokenized real estate, you can the investors can often trade these tokens with directly B2B to other investors, or they can trade some of them when they are listed in an exchange. They can trade it on an exchange. Second of all, real estate crowdfunding does not provide for the operational efficiency enjoyed by tokenization via the use of blockchain technology. For example, the blockchain technology can allow you to use smart contracts for automation for certain compliance and also post-issuance process, such as dividend distribution. And thirdly, real estate crowdfunding is usually just simply crowdfunding of equity or debt interest of real estate, but for tokenization, you can basically tokenize anything. Like it can be other aspects of real estate, such as revenue stream and also economic interest from real estate assets.